Now, to speak more on this legal support by the NBA, I am now being joined by legal expert Ifan Tufeli. Thank you for joining us. Now, with this support provided by the NBA, how can protesters access these services, and what steps should they take if they feel like their rights have been violated?
Well, the NBA have put up a statement to the effect that those who will be arrested or those who may have legal issue arising from the protest will have free legal representation from the NBA. Apart from the NBA, there are other group of lawyers too that have made the same statement to the effect that those who will be arrested or those who will have their rights violated beyond the scope of the general protest should indicate immediately to enable them get legal representation. Now, there's no special way to do that. The way to do that is to go to the NBA secretariat across the country and the NBA office. We have NBA offices across the 36 states of Nigeria. Any of the branches of the NBA in the state closest to the person under reference, you can access the NBA secretariat and make your complaint and make your case known to them. That decision was collectively taken by the Nigerian Bar Association. So wherever you find yourself, you can easily make such complaint down there. There's no other special way to do it.
Now, what is your legal perspective on the use of tear gas by legal enforcement to disperse protesters, especially in instances where the protest has been peaceful?
There's no legal basis for using tear gas on for protesters that have not gone violent. I mean, tear gas is a substance that is used to disperse people during riot, insurrection, or mutiny. This is not a riot, this is not insurrection, this is not mutiny. So the basis under which that was used is quite disturbing because the IG of police had said earlier on that the police are going to be out there to protect the citizens, okay, and to ensure that hoodlums do not hijack the protest. So using tear gas on peaceful protesters does not represent the statement earlier made by the IG. Perhaps the IG will need to review the conduct of these men as the protests continue to ensure that tear gas is not used against protesters who are conducting themselves peacefully. Because even in the areas where the protest became violent, we didn't see police using tear gas there. But the police were using tear gas in places where the protest was going on fine. I don't think that is civil enough. The police should do better. They should see this protest as one program that is all-encompassing for the purposes of the good of all in society. They shouldn't see this protest as we against them and the likes. It is a civil movement that is recognized by law. The rights of the citizens are exercisable under the law, and they have the right to exercise same in the context under reference. And so they should not be tear gas because there's no basis for it under our law.
All right, that will be all for now, Mr. Evans. Thank you very much for your time.